Hi guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're just going to decorate part of the entryway. This is the second part. I decorated my whole tree, my vintage whole tree. My whole tree, I have it for more than 30 years. That was a gift from when I got married from my husband. So we're just going to decorate this space here for Easter or spring, however you want to call it. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I am going to be doing Peter Rabbit and Friends. I have my little knickknack from when my daughter was born. My daughter is 36 years old, so that was the collection that I was doing for her when she was a baby. And a lot of it, I got rid of it because I gave it to not a stranger, but a lot of it I sent back home to my mom, which I believe she still has, and she does have some of her glass doll as well. Um, so yeah, guys. So let me take everything out of here. And some of it gonna go in the floor because I'm going to be doing something else. So I am going to leave the little houses. I just turn it, the little Christmas houses. I just turn it around like this and put this to the outside and this towards the back. So nobody, who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Well, now you know because I told you guys. China cabinet, and then I bring you guys back. I don't have greenery, but this, you guys know that this is a garland for Christmas, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna use it as um, grass. It's gonna work. It's going to work. And then this is another one that I have. This one is more stiff. You could think this is. You could see that this is a better quality. This one is from the Dollar Tree. You could tell. But that's okay. We're gonna make it work, like I said. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna use this one because now I'm starting like to look at the difference of it. But I need to put it down because I want to put my little rabbits. Jeez. I don't know if I'm going to use this one because this one is stiff and it doesn't stay where I want it to be. See? It's so stiff that it's pushing the one that is soft out. And I don't want to cut it, you know what I'm saying? I mean, grass is not perfect outside, so. I think that should do it for now. And also, I got stuff here. I have a box here in the floor. Hold on. I'm going to be putting together my little 1979, 1980. I believe this is from Avon. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to add the decor and I'm going to put it right on the center. Ah! Not too much of this.
Hey, get out of there.
Okay, I only found two of my daughter thing when she was a baby. So her and him. I put them next to the houses. These are Avon. This is from between the 70s. I'm gonna put them in the bag like that. There's no accident, you know. Somebody goes by, they don't knock them down. I also got this big one. 1970s. I don't know if I'm going to add them here. Oh, I could add them to the... No, I'm not going to add them there. This is what keeps a little kitty cat. Actually, no. I'm not going to add that in there either. I don't know if I want to add this here or keep it, because I'm also going to do the top of the fireplace mantle. So I think that's it, guys. I think that's it for now. Yeah. Simple, cute. But I do want to add some few little flowers. I do want to add flowers, so I'm going to do that, and then we're going to continue. So we're going to show you their review. Alright guys, I am done, and this is what it looks like with the little lights on. That little house over there on that side, the little light is starting to dim down. So you just buy this one, guys, and you could just switch it. They fit in there perfectly. So you didn't know that, now you know. But yeah, this is my little part of my entryway decor. So yeah, guys, I hope you like what I put together for you guys. I think it's cute. At least when my grandkids come get their baskets, they could see the entryway. So yeah, guys, this is the second part of the Peter Rabbit family Easter springtime decoration. Well, there you have it, guys. So be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye, guys. Bye.